Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and discussing why Python is such a crucial tool for information security and network administration professionals. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. First of all, Python offers a plethora of security-related frameworks, libraries, applications, and web services that make it an essential tool for cybersecurity. With Python's robust security features, it's no wonder that many organizations choose to implement it in their systems. Moreover, Python is a versatile language that can be used to perform various tasks, such as database administration, creating scripts for system administration tasks, and even analyzing data from users. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for information security professionals who may need to handle multiple aspects of network security. One of the key reasons why Python is so popular in cybersecurity is its open-source nature. Most security-related frameworks are available free of charge through open-source repositories on GitHub or other similar platforms. This means that anyone can access these tools without having to pay any subscription fees or licensing costs. Furthermore, learning Python is a great way to enhance your problem-solving skills and critical thinking abilities. These skills are essential in the cybersecurity field as they help professionals identify vulnerabilities and develop effective solutions to protect networks from potential threats. In conclusion, learning Python is an excellent decision for anyone interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity or those who want to enhance their current skills in this field. So, why not give it a try? Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time.